Dallas is a city known for its dynamic real estate market and diverse architecture. Whether you own a modern uptown condo or a traditional suburban home, one home improvement project stands out for its ability to increase property value: installing new windows. The climate, energy concerns, and style trends in Dallas make this upgrade particularly impactful. Energy efficiency. A game changer for Dallas homes. Dallas homeowners are no strangers to intense summer heat and unpredictable weather. With average high temperatures reaching the mid-90s in summer, energy efficiency is more than a buzzword, it's a necessity. Old or inefficient windows can leak cool air in the summer and warm air in the winter, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. New windows with advanced energy-efficient technologies, such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas insulation, can drastically improve your home's thermal performance. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, energy-efficient windows can reduce energy bills by 10% and 30%. In Dallas, where energy costs can soar during peak months, this is a significant selling point for potential buyers. Enhancing curb appeal. Dallas neighborhoods are as diverse as their residents, from the sleek, modern lines of the Design District to the sprawling ranch-style homes in Preston Hollow. No matter the architectural style, windows are a focal point of a home's exterior. Upgrading to stylish, modern windows can instantly elevate your property's curb appeal. For example, black-framed windows are trending in Dallas, adding a bold, contemporary touch that pairs well with many home designs. Meanwhile, traditional homes can benefit from classic white frames or custom wood finishes that highlight architectural details. Enhanced curb appeal not only makes your home more attractive to prospective buyers but can also justify a higher asking price when you decide to sell. Increasing natural light and interior aesthetics. Dallas homes often feature open floor plans and expansive interiors, designed to take advantage of natural light. Installing larger or strategically placed windows can flood your home with sunlight, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. Popular options include floor-to-ceiling windows, bay windows, or even skylights to bring the outdoors in. Inside the home, new windows can also enhance the aesthetic appeal. Frames and hardware are available in a variety of finishes and materials to complement your interior design, whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a more rustic, farmhouse style. Adding smart features for modern living. Dallas is a tech-savvy city, and homebuyers increasingly expect smart home features. New windows with integrated smart technology, such as motorized shades, remote controls, or even glass that tints on demand, can set your home apart in a competitive market. These features are not only convenient but also contribute to energy savings and security, offering practical benefits that buyers appreciate. Mitigating noise in urban areas. Many Dallas neighborhoods are bustling with activity, from busy streets in Deep Ellum to vibrant nightlife in Lower Greenville. If your home is located in one of these lively areas, noise pollution can be a concern for potential buyers. New windows with soundproofing technology can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a peaceful indoor environment. This is a major selling point for families and professionals seeking tranquility in the city. Boosting ROI with a high-impact investment. According to industry data, window replacement projects can yield a return on investment, ROI, of 70% 85% in Dallas. This means that for every dollar you spend on new windows, you can expect to recover a significant portion of the cost when you sell your home. In some cases, the value increase may exceed the upfront cost, especially if the upgrade enhances energy efficiency, aesthetics, and functionality. Tailoring upgrades to the Dallas market. To maximize the value of your investment, consider the specific needs and trends of the Dallas real estate market. Energy-efficient options are a must, given the local climate, but you should also account for design preferences in your neighborhood. Working with a local window specialist who understands the unique demands of Dallas homes can help you choose the perfect products for your property. Conclusion: installing new windows is a smart, cost-effective way to boost your home's value in Dallas. From improving energy efficiency and curb appeal to enhancing interior aesthetics and reducing noise, this upgrade offers numerous benefits for homeowners. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your living experience, new windows are an investment that pays off in more ways than one.